Good morning, welcome again to Mr. Wilson's exterior cleaning. Easy little patio job to do today. It's not too bad at all. White spot here and there. I've seen a few black spots, but it's not too bad because there's no oak trees around. And I tend to find that oak trees make the black spot the worst. And a few little spots. I'm going to do along this little, oh no, the black spot along here. This little patio bit next to the summer house. The black spot's quite bad on this. The hippo juice to sort that out. Well, there we go, that's another job done. It's just drying off lovely there. Did all these walls down there, no chemicals because she's going to be planting in there soon, so didn't stick any in there. That's all come up lovely. All the back path over there, it's yellow. That's come up pink, bit of black spot on there still, but I went over it twice with hippo juice and it's just not moving. So I've had to take a loss on that one, but never mind, the rest of it looks fantastic. Thank you, like and subscribe.